Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are in this world. This is Lee with an update for Bitcoin. So last night, just for review, I put this chart out with the Bollinger Bands 4-hour chart. What was quite evident was the wedge pattern, which we had been actually looking at for a few days now. And the other apparent feature was the declining volume. And overnight, I think we saw maybe a spike in the red. We also said that the Bollinger Bands are pinching. When they pinch, just like here, there's a bit of a resolution, here a resolution, with a big pinch and boom, big resolution. So for now, let's remove the Bollinger Bands. And overnight price would decline below the lower white trend line of the wedge. So I maintain that this is likely a WXY to maybe somewhere around 4,900. I also want to say, do you remember the 4,700 target I put out? Maybe the 4,400 also? Because once this really does confirm and decline, this WXY, the alternate short term, for me would be an expanded flat of a larger degree. Let's say 4,600. And this expanded flat could be the outcome on where the price resides after the correction. I don't think so. It's on the table on the probabilities. I think it's more on the WXY. This Y, however, could go to 4,700, 4,600, 47, 48, somewhere a little bit below the start of this wedge, but I would say 49.55 or so. Why do I say that? We had also looked at another fractal of this wedge. And this wedge declined not to the origin or below, but about 2/3. So if we have about a 2/3, that'll bring us to maybe 49.93, 4900s, maybe a little more than 2/3 for the smaller one. Now, if this Y is going to give me an ABC, this C, okay, will usually then be below the start. That is when we get into the alternate of the 4,700s. And these C wave subwave composition will be in 5 waves. So if we have A, probably had WXYXZ, or I'm sorry, ABCDE triangle for B wave. And we'll likely see some level of an impulse for the C of Y. Whether it goes to the 4,700, 4,800, I don't know. But based on tendency, usually wedges decline below the origin, but this one didn't. So I'm going to say if it does decline below the origin, it'll probably to the origin of the second one, 4668-ish, Maybe this is the 47.24-ish. Now, if this occurs, most likely all of the altcoins will decline with it as well. Is it time to panic sell? I don't think so. I have plenty of cash. I don't plow all my cash in at once, no matter how good it looks. And if that's the case, having plenty or kegs and kegs of dry powder means that I'll be deliciously buying the dip, even if it goes to the 4400s. I would start buying probably in the 4700s and ladder down. There's pretty good support here as well. So let's see how the price action takes us through this Easter holiday Sunday. Happy Easter to you all. Enjoy your Sundays. Go out and golf. Go spend the time with your family and your children. And do not be stuck to this flat screen. That's my job. Actually, I'm going out golfing too. So enjoy.